Welcome back to the shop, guys. In our last video, we built this shop in just 5 days for under $5,000. And in today's video, we're going to spray with Froth Pak insulation and talk about what I learned. The Froth Pak 200 Professional Foam Insulation Kit is designed to seal small projects and joists. This product is Class A fire rated and cures in just 30 seconds with the ease of use of a DIY product. The Froth Pak line of products can be purchased at most big box hardware stores and online. I purchased 2 boxes to seal this wall and the seams around my shop. Each kit will seal approximately 200 board feet. The Froth Pak 200 is specifically designed to seal joists and trim gaps between 2 to 4 inches wide and is not recommended for larger areas. The Froth Pak 210 and other red box Froth Pak products are designed specifically to fill those larger gaps. The Froth Pak 200 kit comes with everything you need. Inside this box you'll find important safety information, a user's manual, cone and fan tip nozzles, petroleum jelly, an InstaFlow spray system, and Part A and Part B containers. Proper safety gear is very important when working with spray foam. This product can be difficult to remove from the skin and the fumes can irritate the lungs and the eyes. To protect yourself, you'll need a respirator, eye protection, gloves, and complete skin and hair protection. Before getting started, be sure to read the safety instructions. This product is flammable and applying coats too heavy or too fast can result in combustion. Because of this, it's important to work in a well-ventilated room and have proper safety measures in place. For the best results, the contents of the containers should be above 75 degrees and a room temperature over 65 degrees. To get started, attach the red and blue hoses to the matching tank. To avoid leaks, tighten with the provided wrench. Before attaching the tip, be sure to prime the inside of the InstaFlow connection. This petroleum jelly will help prevent nozzles from curing in place. This kit comes with fan and straight tips. We'll test both. After you've chosen the tip and attach it to the InstaFlow nozzle, check that the yellow latch is secure. When opening the tanks, be sure that both hoses fill with liquid. Then using a trash can or empty box, purge the system till all the air is removed from the lines and the stream is even. Once you've started to spray, you shouldn't stop spraying for more than 10 seconds at a time. If left for too long, the product will then cure inside the tip and could cause an irregular stream. If you do need to pause, disconnect the tip and attach a new tip using the same methods as before. I tested both tips and learned that the fan tip sprays a wider, thin layer, and the straight tip sprays a thicker, smaller stream. To spray this wall, it took me about 30 minutes and it cured within just a few hours. I wouldn't recommend this specific product for larger spaces, but I was very satisfied with the ease of use and the quality of the product. For areas that may have overspray or have just expanded too much, the cleanup is as easy as picking it off with gloves or trimming it with a knife. I want to give a huge thank you to all the new subscribers and all the support I received from friends and family to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. If you're just now finding us, don't forget before you go, like and subscribe so you can be a part of this journey with us, because we're just getting started.